In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address on your Dropbox account. Now, whether you're updating your contact information or just switching to a new email, ensuring that your account details are accurate and up to date is crucial. We'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to sign into Dropbox with your current email address. You can do this by heading to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your avatar, which might be a profile picture or just your initials. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Select that option to bring up your account settings. Now, focus on the General tab. Here, you should find a section dedicated to your email address. Next to your current email, there should be a button labeled Edit, or in some cases, Change Email. Click on that. You might encounter a couple of different scenarios here, so let me explain. If instead of seeing Edit, it says Verify Email, this means you need to verify your current email address before making any changes. Simply follow the verification instructions provided by Dropbox. If, however, you encounter an information icon, an I instead of the Edit button, this indicates that your account is managed by an admin, typically in business or team accounts. In this case, you'll need to reach out to your admin for assistance in changing your email. Assuming you've clicked Edit without any issues, the next step is to enter your new email address. Once you've typed that in, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again, and then you'll be asked to enter your Dropbox password. This step confirms your identity and ensures that changes are being made by you or someone with permission to do so. Once you've completed these fields, click the Update Email button. You're almost there. The last thing you need to do is check the inbox of your new email address for a verification email from Dropbox. Inside, you'll find a link. Click on that link to finalize the change. It's an essential step to ensure that your new email address is properly registered with Dropbox, and that's it. You're done. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address on Dropbox. Remember, keeping your contact information current helps protect your account and ensures you receive important updates. If you run into any issues or have questions, Dropbox support is always a great resource. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you next time.